Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to convert RVZ GameCube files to ISO or GCN using Dolphin Emulator. First, download Dolphin Emulator from the official Dolphin website. Choose the version for your system, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once downloaded, extract the Dolphin zip file using 7-zip or WinRAR. After extraction, open the Dolphin folder and launch the Dolphin application. Before converting, make sure all your RVZ GameCube games are placed inside one folder. This makes them easier to find inside Dolphin. Now open Dolphin. In the main window, double-click the empty game list area and select the folder where your RVZ games are stored. Make sure you select the folder itself, not the game file inside it. Once selected, your games should appear in Dolphin. Now right-click the game you want to convert and choose Convert File. In the conversion window, set the format to ISO. If you need GCN instead, choose the available GameCube format option depending on what your setup requires. After selecting the format, click Convert. Dolphin will ask where you want to save the new file. Choose your game folder or another location, then click Save. Wait for the conversion to finish. When it's complete, click OK. Now open your game folder and you should see the new ISO file beside the original RVZ file. Keep in mind, ISO files are usually larger than RVZ because RVZ is compressed. Repeat the same steps for any other GameCube games you want to convert. That's it. You've successfully converted RVZ to ISO using Dolphin Emulator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.